What if the one trading concept that beginners overlook is actually the key to making consistent profit? Many traders lose their money because they ignore these fundamental principles. In this video, we are going to unlock all those hidden concepts. Specifically speaking, we are going to dive deep into support and resistance. Stick around to see exactly how these levels are going to transform your approach to the market. So without wasting any more time, it's your host and friend Arnav. Let's start our today's learning. So before you start trading, you need to understand one thing: why the market is going up or why the market is coming down. The reason is pretty simple. Some call it support and resistance and some others call it supply and demand. So what is supply and demand inside trading? So let's assume I have two lemon and I wanna sell each of them for $5. That means I make net of $10 profit. So for now on, each lemon is costing $5 each. So the market is here. And when I come to the shop tomorrow, I have approximately not 2, I have 4 lemon. So now I need to make $10. So what do? I sell all of them for $10. So now each of the lemon cost $2.5. So that means the price gonna drop from here to here. But the day after that, I have only one lemon, but now I still need to make $10. So what I'm gonna do? I am gonna crank up the price to $10. So that means the same lemon is costing $10 today. So now the price is going to say, okay, so now we are trading at $10. If you wanna trade with me, you give me $10, I give you a lemon. So you can see that's why the price is always moving. It's always supply and demand. When I have too much lemon, the price drops, and when I have too little lemon, the price increase. So the same thing is happening inside the market. Someone want it badly, very badly, they want more, so they are buying up the thing, and suddenly there is too much supply and now it's not going up anymore. Now it's trying to come down. So that's why the market is always fluctuating. It's always going up and down because there is always someone in need and there is always too much supply inside the market. So depending on these factors, the market keep fluctuating. So now how can we understand this and use this topic inside all-in trade? For this, first you need to go to the 5-minute chart. So first come here, then select 5M. So now we need to go to the drawing tool. So at first come to the tool section, then go down, then go to the drawing section and open it up, and we can find horizontal lines. So select an horizontal line and we are going to place it right here. Now what is so much special about this place? So let me show you guys. So for teaching purpose, I am taking this one so I can highlight it for you guys. So you can see the market once touched here and it also touched here, and if we look closely, the market also touched here also. So we have 3 key points. Key point from where market got reversed. Like when the market came here, it got reversed. When the market came here, it again got reversed. Even in here, the market came here, it got reversed, came here, got reversed. So the market make 3 hit. So whenever the market hits a level for 3 times, we take it for SNR or support and resistance in the same place. For better understanding, this is a normal typical support and this is going to be typical resistance, and what lies in between, we call it support and resistance. Because look at here, this line is working as a resistance, but in the same place this line is working as a support. So when the resistance break, it becomes the support, and when the support break, it becomes the resistance. So use this tool and find out where market is hitting around 3 times or more than 3 times. So after drawing all the levels, keep in mind that we are inside minute 5, so we need to go back to minute 1. So now look closely here. It was a resistance level and the market should have gone down. So let's look here what is happening here. We have a resistance level, or you can call it SNR, but as the market was below the level, so it is going to be resistance level. So right now what we are going to do, we are going to place a trade for the down direction. So why we are taking the trade for the down direction? Because you can see the market was actually getting rejected from the same level earlier, and you can also see the market was getting rejected from the same level again and again. That's why it's a strong resistance level for now. And 3, 2, 1 and boom, easy money. So in front of your eyes, I just made $45 just like that. So yes, this is how the support and resistance level works. So whenever the market is going to come here, it's going to go up. Whenever it comes to here, it's going to go up. Whenever the market is coming here, it's going to go down. So this is how support and resistance work. But also a quick advice, Support and resistance is not the only piece of the total puzzle. Trading is like a big puzzle. You need to understand so many other concepts to execute trade properly. But don't be afraid, because I am here right now and I am going to guide you step by step, one at a time. So I hope you learned something new and good from today's video. But in case if you wanna learn more, you can check out my Telegram channel, where you can see I just not only trade, I also share their logics when I'm trading with them. Like you can see even here, I always share the logic so you guys can learn from me. So go check out the link on my bio, where you can find my community, where you can learn literally for free. So that's it for today's video, guys. So let's meet again later with a new concept where I cover a new aspect of trading so you can be a consistent profitable trader. So with that, it's your host and friend Arnab. Goodbye.